Remember our clove and onion hairspray made from the last video? Today we are going to apply it on our hair. Clove boosts blood circulation, it strengthens roots, it reduces itchiness, it fights dandruff, it adds shine, it has antioxidative properties. While onion on the other hand has promote hair growth, it reduces hair fall, it also adds shine, it has sulfur properties. So I move ahead to strain this into this little portion that I'm gonna use on my hair. A lot of people ask question, oh, what if I don't have hairspray bottle? Please do not panic. We have improvised a local spray bottle that you can use at your own convenience. So I get this nylon and I pour this mixture inside. I tie it very well. Please make sure to tie it very well. Do not use it while if the nylon is leaking. So pack everything to one side and tie it very well. So this is how I tie it. And then can you see my hair? My hair is dry and dandy just like this, and I have to revive it and bring it back to life using my clove and onion hairspray. So this is what my hair is looking, and trust me, I don't like the feeling. It's itching, it's dry, it's just there. And trust me, if I'm not careful, one of these days I might likely see dandruff because of how dry I always leave my hair, which is not good. The oils and the creams in the hair has already evaporated and leaving me with dryness again, and this is because this is winter season, and winter season comes like that, where oils and hair grease from your hair evaporate on its own. So yeah, I move ahead to comb my body because I don't want my clothes to get stained from the clove and onion spray moisturizer. So this is my pin. I move ahead to punch a little bit, and yeah, we've gotten our hairspray bottle. Yeah, it's bottle, you know. So I move ahead to spray it from the root down to the tip. I make sure that everything has already, I move ahead, I make sure that my hair down to the hair shaft is wet and everything has collaborated together, and I feel this lightness, and I also feel this like refreshness after using this. Please, if you don't have clove and onion hairspray in your hair care collections, what are you waiting for? Kindly incorporate this combo into your hairspray, because this combo is heavenly. This combo is one of the magic that your hair needs at this point. And the best part of this for me is how my scalp felt so refreshed every time I sprayed it. No itching, no dryness, no smell once it's dried, just clean and healthy. And in case you don't know, this is a leave-in conditioning. I'm not washing anything off. I've already applied my cream, and I move ahead to twist it into this jumbo twist, and I do the same with the other one. Can you see the difference? This particular section is saying, oh, I'm back to life, while this one is saying, oh, on my way to life. So this is it. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please kindly do remember to like this video. Please like this video so that the YouTube can push it to wider society or wider audience. Okay, so yeah, this is how I did it. I made sure that this clove spray is already deeply into my scarf, and after everything said and done, I twist it and allow it to dry it up, and before applying other oils into my hair. So thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like the video. I experienced a little fallout of my hair, and that's because I haven't been taking care of it for some days. The oils in my hair has already evaporated, and it's leaves it dry, so I experience a little fallout. Please take care of your hair if you don't want to experience fallout like mine. Please always oil your hair. Make sure it's in good shape, especially in this winter season. Please make sure to always take care of your hair, moisturize it, put some oils and hair grease so that it will retain moisture and clog in your hair together.